Welcome to my channel. It's your favorite producer April. In today's video I want to show you how to make afrobeat chord for a beginner, so stick with me to the end. So I think I'm going to use stock plugins for this video, so let me use Muffin. So the first thing is choosing your sound. Don't forget, that's the first thing. So let's find our sound for the chord progression. Okay, grand piano. Okay, let's use this. So for beginner, it is just so simple, like nothing complex, just very simple. First thing is choosing your key. So how do you choose your key? Come over here, then view, then scale highlighting, then choose no matter what the key you want to use. So for now, let's choose A major, view, scale highlighting, A, then major. So that's it. Now laying our chord progression. So as you can see already in the notes, we have one light scale, one light note, then the other one is dark. So we have to focus on the light one and just ignore those darks one. You feel me? So now let's lay our chord. Like I said, focus on the light keys, not those dark ones. So just choose any key for beginner. Choose any key that sounds good in your ear. You see? Then you will leave one space of this light one, go to the next light. You get? Then leave another light one, go to the next light. Like this. Amazing, right? Just as simple as that. Like very simple, nothing complex. You don't have to know about music theory before you will be able to achieve this. It is so simple and easy. So then again, another note, leave one white space again. You see? Then again, another note, leave one white space, one white key again, then another white key. You see? Then the last one. Just go like this. Yeah, like so simple. You don't have to know about music theory before you're able to do this. Just as simple as that. Listen. Just as simple as that. Then then now you can go like this to the 7th key. Leave another space. Go again. You see? Or to the 9th key. Leave another space. Like this. Go again. You see how it's sounding? Then you can just leave this, then come back again here to the 9th key. Leave another space like this. Or again, you can go like this. The first one should be 9th, and this should be seventh, like this. So simple. Then again, to make it more interesting, repeat all those bass notes, to lower octave, like this. You see, A here, B here, F here, then so to keep it cool, you can just come here, then scale level, then see. Without it sound like this, and with it, this thing, you see, it becomes so cool. You see. Then to make your chord become so interesting, like just to kill it, if you can layer it with another good and amazing sound, man, you are killing it. So let's come to flex, another stock plugin, because I said we are going to focus on stock plugin in this video. So let's come to flex, then let's come to let's use, should we use a piano live? Let's hear a sound. Okay, let's layer it with this, copy and paste. Then you can just maybe make this one higher octave, like this. That's just it, as simple as that. So simple, you don't have to know about music theory before you can become a music producer. Just simple as that. So let's just add a drum loop so you can see how it's going to sound with a drum. So let me find a drum loop. Now we already have our beat already, like you are vibing already with just this chord progression and this drum loop. You are vibing already. Let's see, let's check another, but let's check another drum loop. So that's just it, as simple as that. That's just it. So please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you want more video like this, let me know in the comment section. Let me know the kind of video you want. Let me know what you want me to do next. And if you want a one-hour class with me, send me a DM on Instagram or any of my mail that will be in the description. Thank you.